friends, my name is Jamie. Today we are going to read action words. The boy is bathing in the bathtub.
What is the action word in that, Jimmy?
Bathing.
Very good. Spell it out, please. B-A.
B-A-T-H-I-N-G.
Very good.
Bathing. The boy is brushing.
What is the action word, Jimmy?
Brushing.
Very good.
I'll read it. B-R-U-S-H-I-N-G. Brushing. The action word is catching. C-A-T-C-H-I-N-G. The girl is catching the ball. Clapping. C-L-A-P-P-I-N-G. Clapping. The action word is clapping. Baby is clapping the hands. The action word is clapping. Cutting. The action word is cutting. The baby is cutting paper. C-U-T-T-I-N-G.
Very good.
Cutting. Cycling. The baby is riding cycle. C-Y-C-L-I-N-G. Cycling. The girl is dancing. The action word is dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Dancing. The boy is drinking juice. The action word is drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking.
Very good.
The baby is eating apple. The action word is eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating.
Good job.
The sisters are hugging.
What is the action word in that?
Hugging.
Very nice.
I'll read for you. H-U-G-G-I-N-G.
Very nice.
Hugging. The action word is jumping. J-U-M-P. Jump. I-N-G. Jumping. The mother is kissing the baby.
What is the action word?
Kissing.
Spell it for me, please.
Okay. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. Kissing. The boy is laughing.
What is the action word?
Laughing.
Good job.
L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G.
Very good.
Laughing. The boy is licking the lollipop.
What is the action word in that?
Licking.
Very good.
L-I-C-K-I-N-G. Licking. The girl is listening to music.
Very good. What is the action word?
listening. Listening.
Very good.
Next one. The baby is bending. The action word is bending. I'll read it for all of you. B-E-N-D-I-N-G. Bending.
Very good.
The next word is painting. The baby is painting the Easter eggs.
Good job.
I'll read for you.
Yes.
P-A-I-N-T-I-N-G. Painting. The action word is painting. The boy is playing with the cutes. The action word is playing.
Very nice.
P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. The next word is reading. The mom is reading for the baby a
Yes.
story.
Very good.
The action word is reading.
Very nice.
R E A D I N G. Reading. Next one is singing. The action word is singing. The girl is singing songs.
Very good.
S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Singing.
Very good.
Next word will read. The baby is sitting on the baby chair.
What is the action word in that?
Sitting.
Very good.
I'll read. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Sitting. The girl is sleeping.
What is the action word?
The action word is sleeping because when it's night, we should always sleep.
Correct.
I'll read for all of you. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. Sleeping. Smiling. The girl is smiling. The action word is smiling because her father went out and he got a big ice cream for her and lollipops.
So she's smiling.
Yes.
Good job.
S-M-I-L-I-N-G. Smiling.
Very good.
The boy is standing.
What is the action word?
Standing.
Very nice.
Because he wants to eat food. So he wants to walk and eat. Go to the kitchen and eat food. So let's read it here.
Okay.
S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. Standing. The teacher is writing 1, 2, 3 for the children. I read.
What is the action word?
Teaching.
Very good.
T-E-A-C-H-I-N-G. Teaching. The girl is seeing the cute little chicks. The girl is watching the chicks. The action word is seeing. Watching. Let's read this. W A D G H I N G. Watching. The daughter is helping the mother to clean the house.
Very good. What is the action word?
Cleaning.
Very good. Spell it now.
Okay. C L E A N I N G. Cleaning. The next one. The girl is combing her hair.
What is the action word?
The action word is combing. I'll read it for you. All for you. C O M D no B B B I N G. Combing.
Good job.
The girl is counting. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Everything is counting.
What is the action word?
The action word is counting. I'll read it. C O U N T I N G.
Counting.
Counting.
Very good.
Girl is writing the homework.
What is the action word?
The action word is writing.
Can you spell it for me, please?
Okay. W R I T I N G. The girl is writing the homework.
What is the action word?
Writing.
Very good.
I hope you like my action video. Please like, share and subscribe. And I'll do more fun activities for you.